Hey guys, future me. I took you with me to the local Dollar Tree. I went in the makeup section and found a few little gems. They have really stepped it up with their beauty section as far as makeup goes and the different varieties of eyeliners that they have. I picked up a few colors to give you guys makeup looks for the Christmas holiday. Right here they had a marshmallow white, so I picked that up, as well as a yellow and green. And then they had this neat little contraption to clean off makeup brushes. So yeah.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. You're watching on Simone. I'm your girl Simone. If you're new, hey girl, hey. If you're returning, what's up? Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you are notified when I post new videos. Currently my vlogs have been going up at between midnight and 3 a.m., which I'm having trouble uploading. I record on my phone, and trying to transfer the clips has been a little difficult. So it takes a while for them to all register to my computer, and sometimes they don't want to load, so then I have to edit them on my phone to shorten them or finesse it to airdrop them, and that just takes a long time, especially because I can only do small increment numbers of recording. Otherwise, if I had a video that's like 30 minutes long, it will not airdrop to the computer whatsoever. So yeah, but in today's thing, I didn't do much. I have clips of me going to the Dollar Tree. Nothing too fancy. I ran errands today. I didn't record that because I literally sat in the car while my mom did some things. But yeah, I'm gonna show you what I got from the Dollar Tree, and then I'm gonna go in the house and take a nap. So if I do something else, I'll let you. So I got a bag full of makeup, as you can see. And we have yellow eyeliner, which I needed for my 30 days of reels, to be honest with you. Some more setting spray, just a quick little setting spray. Some more eyeliner, and I think this one is glitter. It's a glitter eyeliner. And then I have a rose gold. I have a mint green eyeliner. A contouring brush, because on my last video I noticed it. I don't know if you guys noticed it, but I didn't blend that out all the way. Then I got blue, and I bought Camden some brushes. The mini fridges, I got the girls. I miscounted and I thought I only had enough for myself and everybody, but I actually got an extra one, so that kind of worked out. But she wanted a mini fridge for herself, and I got her brushes to go with it as a Christmas gift. Okay, so in this bag, I got this shadow switching sponge, which I really need when I do makeup looks to clean off the eyeshadow. So I'm really hoping that this works. Never heard of this before, but I'll try it out. Y'all know I'm doing 30 days of nails. I found these cute nails in the Dollar Tree. You guys are like, oh, the Dollar Tree has cute nails now. Yes, girl. Another one for Camden, because of course she's gonna want what I have. And then I found these silk head wraps. Definitely need these when I do my makeup, especially on camera for you guys, so y'all don't see my crusty dusty edges, because they are not together when I do them. And I also found these cute hair clips. I'm probably going to use them. I saw somebody finesse a shirt, a silk shirt, and make it look expensive with these, so I'm gonna use that. And then I got a box for Camden. She got a nail set for Christmas, so all her nail stuff can go in here, and she likes unicorns. So yeah, that's what I got from the Dollar Tree. I'm about to go in the house and take a nap. Today is pretty much a chill day, so if I don't come back, thank you guys for watching. This was like a kind of boring vlog day. But remember to stay blessed, stay true, and stay you. And until our next exciting vlog,